QIDI TECH 3D printer, equipped with the latest dual extrusion technology, occupied the overall leading position in education, engineering, design and home hobby printing. X-Pro 3D printer kit features conditional breakpoint printing and upgraded 4.3-inch touchscreen, smarter and easier operation mute printing. Durable and high-temperature resistant 6mm aviation-grade aluminum build platform, can be heated up to 120. Removable curved metal plate make it more convenient to remove the model after printing, which is widely appreciated by users. The QIDI TECH 3D printer with metal platform support rod, which upgraded to 12mm, and also including upgraded parts like motor, main board, and mechanical structure, ensuring more stable printing. Backed by with one-to-one QIDI TECH service. If you have queries about 3D printer, feel free to contact our exclusive and fast support service team. We'll reply back to you within 24 hours. Free 1-year warranty is also guaranteed.